Hi! Now, let's continue our exploration in the world of Animalia. It's a frog! Hey Norish,
Hey bro, what are you doing here?
I'm searching a frog.
Are you serious? A frog? Oh my god, no, no bro, no!
There are 4 stages in life cycle of an anura, or known as a frog. The first stage is egg stage. Frog lay eggs in watery place. Its eggs were covered by slime. Frog can lay more than 100 of eggs for survival of their species. The second stage is tadpole stage. It lives in water and breathes using a gill. It has tail for swimming. The tadpole eat algae, but if there is lack of food, it will eat their brothers and sisters to survive. The third stage is juvenile stage. The tadpole will undergo through metamorphosis process. In this process, the tadpole tail will started to disappear, and the leg started to form. It also started to develop a lung to breathe. The last stage is adult stage. It starts to live on land. It also breathes using lung, and it has long back legs to jump from one place to another. However, it will go to water to reproduce and continue its life cycle.
This is a frog, and the scientific name is Anura. This frog has 3 chambers at their heart, and it's mostly on land, but it will go to water to reproduce. This frog has no scale, and if you can see, it protects their eye with the eyelid to prevent it from dry, and at the back of their eye is actually the ear. This frog has a limb, to allow them to jump from one place to another. And it also a carnivore that eat a little.
Hey guys, this is a cat. Do you know what the scientific name of cat? The scientific name of cat is called a Felis catus. Do you want to know what's the characteristic of cat? So here's some of the characteristics of cat. One of them are cats are strong and flexible body.
Physical characteristics. Ears. Cats have 32 muscles that control the outer ear, compared to humans' 6 muscles each. Cats' hearing is much more sensitive than humans and dogs. They can move their ears like radar, dishes and pinpoint the source. Eyes. In relation to their body size, cats have the largest eyes of any mammal. Most cats don't have eyelashes. They see about 6 times better than a human at night, and in 1/4 see the amount of light that a human does due to the layer of striated reflecting cells which absorb light. Body. A cat has 250 bones in his body. Compared to human, we only have 206 in our bodies. This is why cats have a lot more places where they can bend and twist than we do. Almost 10% of a cat bones are in the tail, and the tail is used to maintain balance. The domestic cat is the only species able to hold its tail vertically while walking.
Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna tell you some of the facts about cats. One of them is cats are cosmopolitan species where they can be found all around the world except Antarctica. Number 2. Cats have more than 100 different vocal sounds. Number 3. Cats can run up to 30 miles per hour. Number 4. The average cat sleeps about 16 until 18 hours per day. Number 5. Cats can be live on the highest mountains and in the hottest desert. And the last one is a male cat is called a tom, while a female cat is called a queen. Thank you.